always fun when you can use your truck as a truck. Look at that. Just got back from cruising out to Seattle to pick this bad boy up. That's alright, right there. A 1940s South Bend 9-inch lathe. Everything on it works real good. And it came with a whole bunch of goodies and tooling and this heavy ass bench. That's a pretty serious bench right there. I haven't figured out exactly how I'm going to unload this thing yet. I'm working on it. Come up with a plan. Pretty cool unit right there, by God. Remember this truck had a canopy on it? The canopy is out in Seattle because I couldn't get my lathe in with the canopy on there. So I gave it to the guy. That'll be all kinds of good times. Loads of fun there.